Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making a wonderful ambrosia salad. If you haven't tried this salad, you must. It's really a must try. The first thing that we're going to be needing is a big bowl and 16 ounces of sour cream, 2 11-ounce can of mandarin oranges, 2 15-ounce can of fruit cocktail, 2 cans of that. We're also going to use 1 cup of coconut flake, the sweetened one. 1 cup of that. And now we're going to mix everything. Going to mix it a little bit. We're going to add 8 strawberries, but you can add as many as you want. I'm going to add 8 for now. That it adds up to about a cup of strawberries. I'm also going to use 1 kiwi. You can do the same with this. You can use as many as you want. This kiwi that I bought, I didn't realize it. It's called a golden kiwi. It's pretty big and it's like gold color. It's not green like the usual kiwi. And it tastes the same, exactly the same. They both taste the same. The only difference, the peel, the skin on this gold kiwi, it's a little bit thinner than the green kiwi. But the taste is the same. So we're gonna mix it. And now we're gonna add 1 10-ounce bag of marshmallows. I'm using the little marshmallows. And this is what's gonna make the salad a little bit sweet. Some people add sugar to it, but I don't. I find it too rich, too sweet if you add sugar to it. So we're gonna mix again all these ingredients. And you can add whatever fruits you like. So a pineapple, I'm also gonna add fresh pineapple and I'm gonna cut it up. Here it is, it's like chopped in cubes. It added up to 1 cup, the pineapple. So now we mix again. Mix it really good, everything combined. You can also add the blueberries and mango if you like mangoes. I don't add mangoes to my salad because my son Sergio is gonna have some of the salad and he's allergic to the mangoes. Okay, I'm gonna clean the edges of the bowl and I am going to decorate it. I saved some of the strawberries and now with a moist paper towel I'm gonna go ahead and clean the edges, like the outer edges of the bowl and also the inner edge. And I also have some maraschino cherries which I'm going to put in the center. But first what I'm going to do is just clean the edges of the bowl. So it looks nice and neat and clean. And I'm going to put the strawberries that I saved. I'm just going to I cut them in slices and I'm going to put them around. I'm just going to put everything, all the strawberries, and then I'll be back in the video to show you. Put all the strawberries around, and now I'm going to put the maraschino cherries in the center. What I'm going to do before, I'm going to rinse those maraschino cherries because they tend to have this red liquid that will stain the sour cream if you don't rinse it. So I rinsed the maraschino, and now I'm going to put some mint leaves to make a green combination. So this is the one I'm going to use, mint. And there we go. This is the finished product. The mint, the strawberries, and the maraschino in the center. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe and watch my other video, and may God bless you all. See you next time.